A heart-healthy diet provides health benefits for the entire body. Foods that are high in fiber help to reduce cholesterol. Whole grains, such as bran cereals or oatmeal. Nuts and legumes, like edamame, are also excellent choices. Plant-based fats, such as those found in olive and coconut oils, are great additions. Coldwater fishes like tuna and salmon contain healthy fats. While nut and seed oils, including corn oil, soy oil, cottonseed oil, and vegetable oils, are high in unhealthy fats that cause inflammation in the body. These fats are highly unstable and may be oxidized in the body, raising cholesterol levels and contributing to plaque in the arteries. Small amounts of red wine or pure grape juice are beneficial to the heart. Include seaweeds in your diet, as they are rich in trace minerals and feed the circulatory system. One of the best heart-healthy strategies is to eat a colorful variety of vitamin-rich fruits and vegetables to take advantage of the multiple benefits of phytonutrients. Include several raw portions daily. Cooked tomatoes are rich in lycopene, which is cardioprotective. The allium family, which includes garlic and onions, also contains numerous heart-healthy components. Another heart-healthy strategy is to include a rich variety of herbs and spices in your diet. These are rich sources of antioxidants. A heart-healthy diet is not high in sodium from salt,